Welcome to another episode of Atomics Gears, and today we are going to talk about new Ducati Monster 950 and 950 Plus. Ducati Monster, a real-life street legal monster, is a naked bike initially designed by Miguel Angel Galozzi and produced by Ducati in Italy, started since 1993. Coming to present at 2021, recently launched, new Monster shows every sign of higher CC Monster's DNA in its design and power. आपको ये नई बाइक काफी ज्यादा लाइट वेट लगेगी, which is just 166 kg, काफी ज्यादा कॉम्पैक्ट एंड मच स्पोर्टियर इन बेस्ट पॉसिबल फॉर्म, जैसा आप सब इसके डिजाइन को देख के बता सकते हैं, बिकॉज it looks more appealing than the Monster 1200 and 1200S. Now let's get deep into the Monster 950 and 950 Plus. 2021 Monster is a replacement for the 803cc Monster 797 launched in 2017. New 950 comes with one of the most powerful 937cc V2 Desmodromic liquid cooled engine, most powerful Monster under 1000cc until now. Also it gets the FI engine with ride by wire functionality just like 1200 and 1200S, which gives you accurate performance with different riding modes and power modes. Ride-by-wire system is an electronic interface between the bike's accelerator and engine, which manages an ideal power response depending on the riding mode selected. Alongside the engine, you get 6-speed gearbox with slipper and self-servo clutch attached with quick shifter adopted from Ducati's racing bikes, which allows the rider to upshift or downshift a gear without using the clutch or closing the throttle for upshift, but just with the throttle closed when shifting down. Talking about the performance, and weight plays the equivalent role in it, and this badass Monster weighs just 166 kg dry weight. And to maintain its overall body, Ducati uses aluminium alloy front frame and aluminium double side swing arm at the rear. These number of aluminium and alloy parts make this machine quite light in weight and easy to handle in corner and better launching. Also for the cornering, you need better grip of the tires, and for that Ducati fitted the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires with 120 by 70 17-inch wheels at the front and 180 by 55 17-inch wheel at the rear, providing you perfect grip for the street and the tracks. Let's come to the brakes and suspension. At front, Monster uses dual 320mm disc with Brembo M4.32 monoblock 4-piston caliper brakes along with cornering ABS. Supporting that, you get 43mm USD forks at the front for the front suspension. Now coming to the rear, Monster uses 245mm disc with Brembo 2-piston caliper brake with similar cornering ABS, and for suspension it holds preload adjustable monoshock suspension attached to the aluminium double side swing arm, providing better comfort and hold on the bike. We got enough of the mechanical aspect. Now अब dimensions को check out करते हैं, then we will see कि क्या क्या नए नए electronic features and other safety features and equipments add on किए गए हैं new Monster 950 में. Starting with the seat height, new Monster gets the standard seat height of 820mm, जो कि आपके Ducati Monster 1200 के similar है, but in this आपको एडिशनल 2 सीट हाइट्स भी अवेलेबल हैं एज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ 800mm and 775mm. For wheelbase, it gets 1474mm of wheelbase, making it compact in size with 2083mm of total length, with little bit taller in height of 1133mm and 14 liter of fuel tank capacity. Now let's dig into the electronic branch and देखते हैं क्या क्या नए फीचर्स एंड इक्विपमेंट्स ऐड हैं. न्यू मॉन्स्टर के कुछ फीचर्स ऐसे हैं जो आपको एज अ स्टैंडर्ड फीचर्स प्रोवाइडेड हैं. सम ऑफ दीज फीचर्स इंक्लूड लॉन्च कंट्रोल, फुल्ली एडजस्टेबल ABS, ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल एंड व्हीली कंट्रोल. स्टार्टिंग विद द लॉन्च कंट्रोल, तो आपको एक सुपर स्पोर्ट बाइक का फीचर एक मिड साइज स्पोर्ट्स बाइक में प्रोवाइडेड है, विच मेक्स श्योर you don't stay behind in the drag race. Actually in this system it automatically manages the engine, चाहे आप कितना कम या ज़्यादा एक्सीलरेट करें. इसमें इंजन आपको मैक्सिमम टॉर्क प्रोवाइड करता है while you only manage the clutch at the start. Coming to the ABS, Monster 950 में आपको dual channel ABS with cornering ability with 3 level adjustment provided है. At level 3 आपको ये maximum rear lift prevention and maximum stability with cornering function प्रोवाइड करता है. At level 2, it enables sportier ABS function with medium level rear lift prevention. At last, at level 1, no rear lift prevention and acts as single channel ABS with only front ABS type and offer maximum performance on the racetrack. Now let's jump to the Ducati traction control. ये function एक मैनेजर की तरह एक्ट करता है between the accelerator and rear tire. In shortcut, आपको traction control के लिए 8 levels provided हैं. different levels of traction control for 3 different riding modes set as default, but you can also customize it according to yourself as suitable. Next is the wheelie control, and it kind of works together with the launch control that allows the bike to accelerate to the max while detecting any front lift. This is also managed electronically as a safety measure, and it can also be adjusted independently from the controls at the handlebar. Next is the smart power mode. In this आपको 3 power modes available हैं: high sport, medium touring and low urban. All of these high end features are controlled by the controls on the handlebar and are visually visible on the 4.3-inch color TFT display. Display can easily showcase you revolution count and gear indicators. Even with air temperature and fuel levels are immediately readable. Along with Ducati multimedia system, you can connect your smartphone with bike via Bluetooth module available as an accessory. Now finally, अगर lights and flashes की बात करें तो you get new full LED headlamp at front with DRLs and along with LED tail lamp. But for indicator, इसमें newly designed indicator used हैं which are attached to the tank with the auto off function in case अगर आप indicator off करना भूल जाते हैं तो। अब आते हैं प्राइसिंग पे कि ये कितना आपकी पॉकेट को लूज करने वाली है। एंड हेयर आर 2 मॉडल्स, Monster 950 and Monster 950 Plus with 3 color options of Ducati Red, Aviator Grey and Dark Stealth. The standard Ducati Monster 950 will cost you 10.99 lakhs rupees ex showroom, whereas Ducati Monster 950 Plus will start with 11.09 lakh rupees ex showroom. You can also customize your Monster with Ducati configurator with different official Ducati kits available, and for that you might have to pay a little extra. There are 4 different kits available excluding standard variant, and these are Pixel cover kit, GP cover kit, Corsair decal kit and Logo decal kit. And that's all for today in this episode. Subscribe to our show and follow us on Instagram to receive more auto industry related updates. This is Amit Singh signing off, and until next time, keep watching Atomics Gears.